Hello students, I am your Z sir, welcoming you in the science lecture for standard 10. We will continue our chapter number 12, electricity. Today's my topic is heating effect of electric current. Because of electric current, the heating effect occur. So what is the definition of that? The production of heat in a metallic conductor. First of all, we will understand this. When the production of heat occur through metallic conductor, the production of heat occur through a metallic conductor. How the heat produced? It is because of the passing of electric current. When I pass the electric current through a metallic conductor, the production of heat, and that is known as a HEEC. HEEC means heating effect of electric current. Understand? Now, for example, I had make one circuit here. If I supply a voltage V and due to that the current I produce, that current pass through this metallic conductor. Okay. Now, metallic conductor have their own atoms. That electron will be collide which I pass from this voltage with that atom, and due to that heat is dissipated. So you will ask, sir, how the heat is dissipating? So it is because bacha, the electrons are colliding with the atom of the conductor. Okay. Now every metal will not dissipate heat compared to the, if I compare my example with the heater. So heater have different conductor. Okay, and fan also have their different conductor. So in both of them, the heat is not produced similar. So there is one point came that production of heat is depend upon material which we are using, nature of material. Okay, so I explain this. So if I say that heat is produced, that means that is energy. Heat is produced, that is energy, and energy is equal to वर्क डन. जो हमने काम किया है वो क्या है? एनर्जी है. सो दैट इज माई W and this is my H. So I have the formula for the potential difference that we had studied earlier. That potential difference is nothing but the work done per unit charge. अगर मुझे यूनिट चार्ज को आगे भिजवाना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा? वर्क डन करूंगा उस यूनिट चार्ज पे, उससे मैं बोलूंगा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V इज इक्वल टू W/Q. मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. Okay, I had written in place of W, I can write H because both are same. Okay, now making H on their side only, Q will be go here. What I get? H is equal to VQ. This is my first equation, or you can say first formula for the heat. Now, what is the SI unit of heat? The SI unit of heat is joule, because the work done have the SI unit joule and both are equal. That means heat and work done, the SI unit are same. Now if I want to derive another formula, what I will do? Let's rub above so it is visible to you properly. Okay, now I have H is equal to, sorry, what I have V is equal to W/Q. Okay, in place of W I will put H. Okay, and Q will become here, that means VQ. This is my first term, equation number 1. Where is I have? What I have? I have I is equal to Q/T. I is equal to Q/T. So Q become IT. अगर मैं T को यहाँ पे ऊपर भेज दूंगा तो Q is equal to IT. So placing this value, I will write here Q is equal to IT. So placing in equation 1. Okay, so what happened? What I get? I get H is equal to, placing this value in equation 1, this is my equation 1, Q is equal to IT, so V and IT. So it give me H is equal to VIT. Okay, this is my second equation. Again, I have the formula for V, that V is equal to IR. Okay, now I have V is equal to IR, so V is equal to IR. So I am placing in equation 2. If I place V is equal to IR in equation 2, what I get? H is equal to, in place of V, IR. Okay, and I and here is T, so it become H is equal to I square, I should write here. Okay, H is equal to I square RT. See, we get total how many formula? We get number 1, number 2 and number 3. We get the formula, 3 formula, that is H is equal to VQ, second H is equal to VIT, third H is equal to I square RT. That are our 3 formula which we derived. Okay, note down this. Now from this I can say that heating effect are very important for us. So example of heating effect of electric current are electric sagdi, electric iron, electric heater and etc. many of. Okay, so heating is very important, similar to electric current which we are getting for illumination. Now coming on to our next point, that is Joule law of heating effect. So first of all write this. Now Joule law of heating. What is Joule law of heating? There is a new topic. So you have to understand the one formula, and according to that formula we had described the Joule law. Joule law of heating. So you see that sir forgot to rub this. No bacha, this is the Joule law of heating. Okay, 8 is equal to I square RT. This equation is called Joule law of heating. Now what this equation shows? In this equation what H shows us? H shows us that heat is directly proportional to the square of current. Heat is directly proportional to square of current. So heat produce, if the more current is there, more heat will produce. Okay, and second one is that heat is directly proportional to the resistance. So I can write this directly proportional to रेजिस्टेंस. जितना रेजिस्टेंस होगा उतनी हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी. सो फॉर दैट we had understand that the types of natures, or sorry, types of material, that depends upon types of material. The material which we used for heating, that is depend on resistance. The material which have more resistance have more heat. Second is that heat is directly proportional to the time. Directly proportional to time. Okay, it also directly proportional to time. How it is directly proportional to time? For which the current flow through the resistance, for which current flow through resistance. Okay, this is nothing but the Joule law of heating. So if they ask in 2 marks, you can go through this equation. Write this equation first of all. H is equal to I square RT. This is nothing but the Joule law. Okay, Joule law of heating. Now what this equation told you, you have to write this and you will get directly 2 marks in your exam. Now coming on to the next point. So next point we have to start. So first of all, write this. Another point is applications of heating effect of electric current. Now where we have to use this heating effect of electric current, application means कहाँ पे उसको use करेंगे. So it is desirable for, I can write like this, it is desirable for electric iron, electrical sagdi, or you can say directly sagdi, second in heater also, electrical fuse, and many more. If you write 2 examples or 3 examples, it is much enough. No need to write more than 3. So this is the desirable where we have to use this electrical current as a heating effect. Now where it is undesirable. So undesirable at, as I told earlier, in computer it is undesirable. The material which produce more heat, that material it is undesirable for computer. TV, fridge, fan, and many more, which you can easily identify. So here I am stumped my lecture. At the end, I had completed the application of heating effect due to electric current. So next video we will meet for that. Till then, bye bye.